Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a really professional-looking food YouTube thumbnail. So if your channel is related to food content, then this video is really made for you. So let's say you have created your YouTube channel and you are uploading videos, but you don't know how to create a YouTube thumbnail for your video. In that case, the Canva website is really great for you. Canva lets you modify anything you want from already made templates by professionals. So create your account on canva.com, and after registering, this is the interface you will see. Then go to the search bar and type in Food YouTube Thumbnail. And you don't need to worry about the dimensions because it is already designed to fit YouTube's requirements. As you can see, there are a lot of food thumbnails, and some of these are paid. But you don't have to worry. There are lots of other options in the free version. You can see how professional they look, right? You just need to modify them with your images, your text, and you are ready to upload your own thumbnail for your video. So here is a free one. If you are in the recipe category, then just customize it, and you can explore more thumbnails as well. If you don't find one you like right away, just keep exploring and you'll get hundreds of options. Maybe you'll find one you like and then just customize it. Now you can see I can modify whatever I want. If I want to change the food text, then I just double-click and type whatever I want. And like this, I can type anything I want. And if you want to change the color of the font, just go to the text color and just change it. And if you want to add your own dish to the thumbnail, for example, I will be doing this one. Yeah, maybe I will add this one. I'll just copy it. For example, you can upload it from your computer. If you have your food image, just upload it from your computer, and you can use your own image and just paste it. So your uploaded images will appear here. Just drag them, and like this, you can just replace your image with the template image, like this. Also, if you want to add images from Canva's library, just go and search for noodles or any food you want, and maybe this one. Yeah, see? Like this you can add images from the Canva library as well. You'll get hundreds of options in Canva's stock footage library. Yeah, that was a simple way you can create a professional-looking food thumbnail for your YouTube videos. And I'll see you in the next video.